Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to make money and how money work for you. So let's begin. Number 1, automate your finances. In this digital age, it's now incredibly easy to automate your finances in just about every way you can imagine. From automatic bill payments to automatic investment contributions, according to Kenny Senna, certified financial planner with Millennial Wealth Management. For example, if your goal is to max out your Roth IRA in 2023 by contributing the full $6.00, consider setting up an automatic contribution of $500 each month, he said. Automating your finances can be a huge help in managing your monthly cash flow. So any automation should ideally occur the same day your paycheck or direct deposit hits your bank account. Number 2, create specific financial goals. You can't make your money work for you if you don't know where it's going. According to Jake Hill, CEO of Debt Hammer, you should create specific financial goals. Maybe you want to earn a certain amount through a side hustle, or you want to invest a certain amount in real estate. Whatever it may be, work toward it. Make sure that your financial goals are ones that will adequately benefit you down the road, and preferably choose goals. Number 3, plan for each dollar. To make your money work for you, have a plan for each dollar that comes in. Money without a purpose ends up being spent. So give some thought to what your goals are, and how you should divide your income between them, said Nick Bauman, financial planner at Bauman Wealth Management, LLC. He added that mindfulness about your money is key to financial success, which means making conscious choices about where to spend, what types of accounts to use, and what your highest priorities are. Number 4, get rid of your high-cost debt. You can't grow wealth into the future if debt is holding you back, said Christopher Siuko, of Paraka Consulting. High-cost debt kills long-term wealth, he said, pointing out that credit cards typically have interest charges as high as 35% per year, while a personal loan could have interest charges of 20%. With such high interest rates on loans, you cannot create wealth, he said. Get rid of high-cost debt as soon as possible. By paying off a credit card in full, you earn 35% on your investment and can put the savings to better use. Number 5, invest in the stock market. To really grow your money, your best bet is to invest in the stock market. By purchasing individual ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds in a model portfolio, according to Johnny Medina, CEO of Nabla Financial. The general concept is very simple. Save at least 10% of your gross income. Invest the savings with a long-term mindset and leave it to compounding to do the rest. For example, if you start with $10, save $1, each month and invest in a portfolio that will yield 10%. After 30 years, you would have $2.3 million.